Hi guys, I am Shazad and welcome to lecture number 9. Today we are going to discuss about the homepage, so you can easily understand how can you customize the homepage and how can you manage your homepage. So now basically go to the website. So this is the homepage, and why it's not showing you the homepage here? Because it's a homepage. So now go to the settings, reading. Definitely you have set this page as a okay. Now as you can see, this is the home page, and now how can you edit this home page? Go to the pages. You can also edit from the home page there, or you can click on the edit page link. Mostly some themes never show you the edit button here, so that's why. Now it's showing the current home page. Click on the home page. Now you are going to edit the home page. Now what happens? Go to the front end editor, Visual Composer front end editor. So now definitely you have two type of sections. Here you have a lot of content, and here you have a sidebar. Make sure this content is editable and this is not. Why? Now in this theme, this sections available here, definitely in the widget section. So now as you can see, it's saying home sidebar. So this is the home and this is the sidebar. You have a categories, you have a slider, you have a newsletter, and you also have a slider. So you have the block text showing you the newsletter, and also a block, and this is also a block, and the block name is the sidebar block. You can also create the sidebar if you can customize this one, so you can customize from the block sections here. Okay, now so fine, I'm not going to customize this one. If you want to customize this one, so go to the block sections, find this sidebar recent post, and definitely you will customize this one. We have customized the content from the block sections in our previous lectures. Now as you can see, you have slider. So in this theme, the built-in slider available here. Mostly themes use the some type of slider like revolution slider. So if you are using the revolution slider, definitely they provide you the shortcut, but you just need to use the shortcut here, or otherwise you have the functionality to add the slider here. We'll discuss about this, but for now consider this one. So it's moving now. If you want to click this one or add it to this one, just click on the edit sections. So this is the content, this is the image, and you have some few options. So as you can see, it's saying the extra class. So this is the extra class because they are using the extra class in the CSS sections, so it's totally dependent upon you. Okay, now click on this one. So as you can see, it's a shop now. So shop now button. So definitely you have shop now button without anchor, so you have to define your anchor here. Okay, now slide this one, click this one. So you have this slider. So as you can see, it's an image. Just change the image here or the link here, and also change the content here. Fine. Now I'm saying I have the page, new page. I'm going to show you that I'm going to open this page as a Visual Composer. So now as you can see, you have banner. So interactive banners, or if you are creating or if you're designing like this, what you just need to click on the row. You need 3 columns, so definitely go to the row, check these settings, and now you have the photo interactive banner, so you have to use the photo or direct use banner. So banner, so select your banner here, fine. Okay, you have this banner because by default the height is very high, so it's totally depend upon your image. So copy, fine, you are ready to go. If you need to copy this one, just click on the clone, so clone this, so you have cloned, remove, fine. And now as you can see, it's a featured items. So how can you, as you can see, it's a featured product. So every theme has its own settings, so as you can see, a lot of functionality available here. So you have to check each and every functionality depend upon your theme. So it's a photo theme, so that's why. Okay, if you open this Insurance Heaven, it's a live website. Now if I added this page, okay, now I'm going to open this in a front-end view so you can easily understand. Now front-end view, the Visual Composer also available here. So now as you can see, it's showing us the OT slider home, similar to this one. Now if I add some content here, so now as you can see, it's showing me the piece element. So now this is the photo and these are the elements and these are the website setting or the theme settings, and the name of the theme is the piece. That's why I have different kind of elements or the options or the functionality available here. So it's totally depend upon your theme. So you have to check each and every single element and functionality. So now as you can see, I'm saying now currently it's showing the photo feature product. So now if I create a row, and now I'm saying featured, so photo feature product. So define the settings. I need the 4 column, so definitely you have a 4 column here. You can also select the 3 column, and you can also, I'm saying 12, I'm saying 10 product per page. Save. Okay, now as you can see, it's fine. Now you have this slider carousel, so just click on this one, or just open this one and check the functionality. It's saying 4 and 12, 4, 12, fine, default, and it's saying show slider paginations. Show slider pagination. So there is a show slider paginations. 12. Okay, it's a slider. Make sure you have a slider. So slider, click on this one. Now definitely you have a slider, something like this. So this is a slider, same slider, and if you click on the list, definitely it will show you as a list like this. And if you click on the grid, definitely it will show you as a grid. So now we are saying we need the slider, and you have the show slider paginations. So show slider paginations, fine. Now you have one content here, so write the content here, feature products. So as you can see, it's a feature product here. Now you also have the feature product, you also have the product widget area. So you have 3 columns. As you can see, these are the 3 columns: new, hot, save. You can also create these 3 columns. You also have, this is the one row. In the one row you have a heading, and in this column you have 3 columns. How can you create this one? I'm creating a row, and this is the heading, photo heading, whatever you are writing in the heading. So this is the heading, like this one. Okay, now if you want to change the settings, just check out the, okay, I'm saying line top, fine. So definitely you have a top heading. You can also, now I'm saying I'm going to use the row here. So this is the row, and now I'm going to use the 3 column. So this is the inner row, 3 row. You have 1, 2, 3. Now definitely it's an info box. Just click on the icons. Make sure I'm just going to add the content in this column, not this column, because this is the 12 column. It's a single column. It's a design is 12. Where is that? Okay, so this is the single column. Make sure, and we have 3 columns here. I am just adding the columns, the content in this column. I'm saying box or the info box. So this is the info box. In the info box, definitely you have title, some content, and button. You have title, content, and link. It's saying no link. You can also select some other options, and some other options also available. You can also use the extra class. Click on this. So now as you can see, it's showing you how can you show your content. Just click on this. Definitely they have the align, so simple. Or if I'm saying the image, so definitely you have to use the image. If I'm saying square background, design your on, it's totally depend upon you. If you select the icon, it's fine. It's a font awesome icon. They are providing 4 types of icons. Okay, now where is the alignment? Just find the alignments, because definitely they have the align. So this is the design. You have the same sections, typography. You can also change the font size, line size, something like that. You can also use the animations here. So it's really depend upon you and your need. In this way you can create these sections, and a lot of sections you can also create. So this is the overview of the home page, and definitely you can create the home page from your own. So as you can see, this is the large home page. If you want to create this like this home page similar to this one, what you need, just need to go to the page. Definitely they have the default template. Publish this one and go to the backend section. It's a default setting, and definitely they have some kind of settings here. So check out the settings, which settings the home page is using. You can also set the same settings here. So it's totally depend upon you. So this is the home page overview. So I hope you are enjoying this series. So thank you for watching.